Keeping up with our motto, let learning be a joy and teaching a pleasure. Here we are with a remote teaching and learning process to bridge the gap. Happy learning, students.
Dear student, today we will see chapter number 2 parallel lines practice set 2.2. Let's start. Here we have question number 1. In the figure y equals to 108 degree and x equals to 71 degree, are the lines M and N parallel? Justify. Let's see the proof of this. Here it is given that y equals to 108 degree and x equals to 71 degree. Look at this figure. Here x and y are interior angles. If the sum of this two angle is 180 degree, it means if the interior angles are supplementary, then the lines are parallel. So here we are going to find out the sum of angle x and angle y. Okay, so angle x plus y equals to 108 degree plus 71 degree. Therefore x plus y equals to 179 degree. It means x plus y is not equals to 180 degree. It means sum of these two interior angle is not a supplementary, or you can say here the sum of this two interior angle is not equals to 180. Hence line M is not parallel to line N, as it does not satisfy interior angle test for parallel lines. Here we have next question. In the figure, if angle A congruent angle B, angle X congruent angle Y, prove that line L parallel line M. Look at the proof of this question. Here angle A congruent angle B, right? It's a given. Look at this figure. Can you find angle A and B? Yes, angle A and B. What kind of angles are they? They are corresponding angles, right? And we know if the corresponding angles are congruent, then the lines are parallel. Correct. So which two line will be parallel in this figure? Line L and line M, since corresponding angle formed by them are congruent. Therefore line L parallel line M by corresponding angle test. It's equation number 1. Angle X congruent angle Y, how we came to know? It's also given. Look at this figure. Can you find angle X and Y in this figure? You can see that angle X and angle Y are alternate angles, right? And we know if the alternate angles are congruent, then the lines are parallel. So which two lines will be parallel over here? Line M and line N. Why line M and line N are parallel? Because alternate angles formed by them are congruent. Therefore line M parallel line N by alternate angle test. That would be equation number 2. Look at equation 1. Here line L parallel line M, and equation 2 is line M parallel line N. Okay, so line L of equation number 1 and line N of equation 2 are parallel to line M. It means all three lines are parallel. So I can say that line L parallel line M parallel line N from 1 and 2. Therefore line L parallel line M. Now we have question number 5. In the figure, if ray AE parallel ray BD, ray AF is the bisector of angle EAB and ray BC is the bisector of angle ABD, prove that line AF parallel line BC. Let's see the proof of this question. You can see that ray AE parallel ray BD and sec AB is a transversal. Okay, therefore angle EAB congruent angle ABD by alternate angle theorem, right? We know that if the lines are parallel, then the alternate angles formed by them are congruent. Therefore measure angle EAB equals to measure angle ABD. We'll consider this as equation number 1. Measure angle FAB is half of measure angle EAB. You can look at this figure. Here ray AF is a bisector of angle EAB. Therefore measure angle FAB is half of measure angle EAB. We'll consider as equation number 2. Now you can look at this figure. Ray BC is bisector of angle ABD. Therefore measure angle ABC equals to half of measure angle ABD. We'll consider equation number 3. Now look at the equation 2 and 3. Their right hand sides are equal. EAB and ABD are equal, that we proved it in equation number 1. Therefore angle FAB equal angle ABC from 1, 2 and 3, and they are alternate angles formed by line AF and line BC. And we know that if the alternate angles are congruent, then the lines are parallel. Therefore, line AF parallel line BC.